Greetings, this is LeftyChris, and today I'm going to make a quick YouTube video on how to create a StorX node. StorX is a distributed cloud storage provider powered by Xinfin's blockchain. SRX is an XRC20 utility token that powers StorX data storage, and you're capable of making nodes through StorX. Now, for this node, you will need a VPS. You can use Contabo, you can use Vultr. For this example, I'm going to use Vultr. So first, go ahead and get yourself a VPS. I would recommend the $20 or $40 VPS. Is probably best to have as much memory as possible. So once you have the VPS, go ahead and download Putty. I'm going to use Windows, so you want to make sure you have Putty. We're going to log in as root. And for this example, I'm going to use the VPS that I have bought, but I'll be deleting it after the video. So first things first, let's go ahead and expand our screen. Let's go through the guide that I did make. Now this guide is dated. This was one of the first guides that I used when I created this, probably back, I want to say about September of last year, but it should still work. So first things we'll do is we'll go to number 4. We need to go to the github.com/StorX Network /StorX -node. So here we go. And then let's go ahead and copy method 1, the bootstrap command StorX node setup. And we're going to paste it here. We need to enter our XDC address. So make sure you have XDC Pay. I'm going to use account 5 for this one. XDC Pay is an extension on Google Chrome, so you can go ahead and download that. So let's go ahead and use this here, copy and paste. And so we're going to let this go ahead and run. Now, while you're allowing that to run, if you haven't already done it, go to storx.tech. You can either do /storx-token.html or /index.html, but you need the smart contract address. So we're going to go ahead and copy the smart contract address up top, and then we're going to go to our XDC Pay, and we need to add token. So we're going to add StorX, add, there we go. Now you can get your StorX tokens from Liquid, HIT, BTC, or Bitrue. Most of the time I get mine from Bitrue. All right, so it looks like the node is completed. You can see that it says done. I did add extra steps just in case if something happens, we can go through and go through the other steps, but it looked like everything is done after step 4. So let's go to farmer.storx.io, and we'll need to make sure that we're inside of account 5. Okay, so it says farmer node status not a staker, and then stake details staked false. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to add some tokens in there, but typically it takes some time to run the node. And so if it does take a little bit of time before the stake or the farmer node status change from not a staker to true, You'll need to put in the following commands. You'll have to go through step 8 through 16, and I can actually go through that real quick for you. But for this node, you would need to make sure that you have the tokens. So first things first, let's go ahead and go through these next few steps. Number 9, we do not need. Number 10, we can go through. So type ls, press enter, and then type rm spacebar dash r StorX dash node. I press tab, press enter, okay, and then press ls. And so now that deleted everything, and now we'll start from scratch. So now we're on number 11. Use method one code again. So let's go back to the GitHub. Copy. We're going to go back to the VPS and paste. Press enter. And then we're going to copy the address from XDC Pay. We're going to paste it into our VPS. Press enter. And this way seems very repetitive, but it's very fast. So now we have method 1 done again. Let's go ahead and type cd store. I press tab, press enter, and then sudo apt dash get upgrade. Okay, we don't have to do anything there. Now, let's stay in the StorX node path and try method 1 one more time. Okay, and then let's go ahead and copy our address one more time. Going to paste, enter. Now we're on step 13. It says if everything goes through, you should see recreating StorX node underscore StorX network underscore 1 done. All right, and we do see that right here. So now let's go to number 14. It says wait about 30 to 45 minutes and you should see a numerical value for the current reputation. After the value reaches 10 or higher, the farmer node status will say true. Congrats, you can now stake. Select the amount of SRX that you'll want to stake, then click stake. Currently, you need about 15,000 SRX tokens. If we go to coin market cap and then SRX, $15,000. It's a little under $850. And so you can grab those tokens on Bitrue or again on Liquid or on Hit BTC. And you can grab those tokens from there. And then once you have those tokens, you can go back to farmer.storx.io/staking, or just go to the home and then click on staking, and you'll want to connect the wallet that you used your address with and connect from there. And you can see now that the farmer node status has changed to true. I do have current reputation of 27 and the stake details is false. I do not have 15,000 SRX tokens to stake at the moment. but you can see that the node is true. And we can even compare addresses to verify that this is true. 5D69, 5D69. But with that being said, look like everything's good to go. Our SRX node is complete. If you like content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace.